In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge high memory usage. If Edge has been using more memory than you expect, a common reason is that it keeps certain extensions and apps running in the background even after you close the browser. This can be helpful for instant notifications or quick reloads, but it also consumes RAM and can slow down your device. In just a few clicks, you can turn this behavior off and make Edge lighter and more responsive. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once the browser is up, look to the top right corner for the three dots. This is the menu button that opens additional options. Click it to expand the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Edge's control center where you can adjust how the browser behaves. Inside Settings, click on System. On some versions, this section may be labeled System and Performance, but it leads to the same options. This area controls how Edge uses your device's resources, including what it does when you're not actively using the browser. Now find the option called Continue Running Background Extensions and Apps. Turn this setting off. What this does is straightforward. When you close Edge, it will fully shut down instead of letting extensions and apps keep operating in the background. By preventing those background tasks, Edge stops holding onto memory unnecessarily, which can free up RAM for other applications and often improves overall system responsiveness. This change usually helps laptops run cooler and extends battery life too. You don't need to restart Edge for this to take effect. The change is immediate. If you rely on an extension that pushes real-time alerts, just remember that those alerts will appear while Edge is open, and they won't try to run behind the scenes after you close the browser. If you ever want to reverse this behavior, simply come back to the same toggle and turn it on again. If you notice that the option is grayed out or managed by your organization, it means device policies are controlling the setting. In that case, you'll need to follow your organization's guidelines to make changes. That's it. By turning off background extensions and apps, you've addressed one of the most common causes of high memory usage in Microsoft Edge. Enjoy a leaner browser experience and smoother performance across your system.